Go on, Bougie. Go. Patrick's like, heck no. Come on, Bougie.
He was stuck inside.
Go.
Alright, I'm gonna go unplug us.
Okay. Bougie, you can go outside with Kevin? Come on. Go. There she goes. She's like, oop, where'd he go? Go pee-pee. Oh my God, it's snowing! She disappeared. Patches, you wanna go outside? Go outside, go! It's like, ooh, wow. I don't know, those cars are going awfully slow on the road. Oh my goodness. Where's the snow plows? Comes a truck. He's going fast. He's brave. I don't think we should drive in this. I don't know. Snow.